Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best hand towels for your bathroom: Kleenex Expressions Disposable Paper Hand Towels. If you're tired of using scratchy paper towels or cloth towels that need constant washing, this is the perfect solution for you. The Kleenex Expressions hand towels come in a convenient pack of 6 boxes, with 60 towels in each box, giving you a total of 360 hand towels. The first thing that stands out about these towels is their cloth-like feel. Unlike traditional paper towels, these towels are designed to be soft and absorbent, making them perfect for drying your hands or wiping down surfaces. The texture is smooth yet absorbent, so you won't have to worry about leaving your hands damp after drying them. What's really great about these towels is that they are free from inks, dyes, and fragrances, making them perfect for anyone with sensitive skin. You can feel confident that these towels won't cause any irritation or discomfort, unlike some other products that contain added chemicals. These towels are disposable, which means you don't have to worry about laundering them like cloth towels. When you're done, simply toss them out and grab a fresh one from the box. It's a clean, hassle-free experience that adds convenience to your daily routine. Kleenex Expressions Disposable Paper Hand Towels also come in a variety of designs to fit your home decor. Whether you want something simple and sleek for a modern bathroom or a more vibrant design for a fun, energetic look, there's a box for you. The boxes are compact and easy to store, making them perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or even your RV when you're on the go. One of the best things about these towels is how they offer a cleaner way to dry your hands compared to traditional cloth towels. You don't have to worry about the bacteria or germs that can build up on cloth towels over time. Every time you use a Kleenex Expressions hand towel, you're getting a fresh, hygienic option to dry your hands. Whether you're preparing for guests, upgrading your bathroom routine, or simply looking for a cleaner, more convenient alternative to cloth towels, Kleenex Expressions Disposable Paper Hand Towels are a fantastic choice. So, next time you're out shopping or browsing online, consider picking up a pack. Your hands will thank you. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products to improve your life.